In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to enhance user experience or display the progression of a process or event, a progress bar is a clean and effective way to do it. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, go directly to your site's dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options. What we're interested in is the Edit Site button. Click on this button to open the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your website visually. Once you're in the editor, let's head over to the left sidebar of your screen. Click on the Add button. It looks like a little plus sign, and this menu contains all the elements you can add to your page. Scroll through the options until you find More. Yes, that's right, click on More, and you'll see a list of widgets you can add to your website. Now that you see different options, look for the HTML iframe element. This is a versatile element that allows you to embed custom code in your site. Click and drag it to your page. You might be wondering why we're using an HTML iframe, but this is crucial for adding features like a progress bar that may not be organically available in preset formats. With your HTML settings open, you'll see an Enter Code box. Here, you're going to paste your already prepared progress bar code. You can find many free generators online if you haven't created the code yet. Make sure that your iframe accommodates the entire progress bar to avoid any resizing issues. After pasting the code, click Apply. You'll notice the progress bar appearing on your page. Go ahead and adjust its position to where it makes the most sense in your layout. Make sure it's easily visible and serves the purpose you intended, whether it's at the top of a registration form, at the beginning of an article, or anywhere else. Next, let's ensure that it becomes a seamless part of your website by matching it with your site's overall design language. Customize the colors, size, and style within the progress bar code, if not already done. It's important to double-check the functionality. Sometimes, certain browser settings might affect its operation. Finally, it's time to preview and test. Switch over to the preview mode in your Wix editor. This gives you a live look at how the progress bar will function on a published site. Click through your site and ensure everything is appearing and functioning as expected. If it all looks good, you're ready to publish. Just click Publish in the top right corner to make your changes live. And there you have it. An easy, step-by-step guide to adding a progress bar to your Wix website. Not only does this enhance functionality, but it also provides a visual representation to users that can keep them engaged with your content. So go ahead, give it a try, and make your website even more interactive.